how to add a place on Tripadvisor. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will simply guide you through the steps on how you can basically add a place on Tripadvisor, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to add a place on Tripadvisor, all you have to do is first of all go ahead and launch the Tripadvisor app. Now let's say you have a property such as a hotel or an accommodation or a holiday rental, anything as such, you want to list them to the Tripadvisor app so that people can search for it and then make a booking. All you have to do is just open it up, tap the review icon over here, which is the review button from the second last corner of the screen. Then over here you'll find the option called plus, so just tap on the plus button here. Then here you'll find an option called add a place. All you have to do is tap on add a place. Now once you tap on the option called add a place, over here you have options such as list an accommodation, list a thing to do, list a restaurant, or list a holiday rental. Depending upon the type of property that you have, just select them over here and then just tap on this yes button. Now it will ask you for some questionnaires before you actually finalize your listing, so just go ahead and answer the questionnaires depending upon whether you have listed this on Tripadvisor or not, and then it will ask you to select your role as to what you are in this company, and then if this place currently open, you can select yes, then just tap and continue. Then after that you have to simply enter the name and description of the place, the description of your property, the address. It has to be a precise address, so it cannot be a wrong address, keep that thing in mind. Enter the zip code, and then you also want to make sure to enter the website URL. If you do have, you can enter the email as well as the contact information. Scroll down, select latitude and longitude, tap and continue. It will ask you to upload some photos after this process. Once you've uploaded the photos after the process, your listing will be successfully created and you'd have successfully added a place. This is simply how you can add a place to Tripadvisor. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, queries or doubts, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.